We have a new problem with the jacuzzi. It gives fault code E1. We know that the heater is bad. So there was water in it until here. But because I've drilled 2 holes, the water drains out. But you can see the water comes out from here, so we need to replace the heater. So I found one in Spain and I've ordered it. And it's in back order, so I think in 2 weeks it will arrive here in Belgium, and then we will replace it, because there are no valves on the inlet or the outlet. We need to drain the entire jacuzzi and then replace the heater and also the wiring, 2 cables. So here is the electrical board. I think it's this wire and this wire. So you can see it over here, heat and heater connection. So these 2 wires we will need to replace. And the display, you can see over here, Ethink. And this has KL8-3H. Just switched it from the upper position down to shut down the fuse, and then draining the jacuzzi. Disconnecting the heater. I've also bought new gaskets, and that was a good thing to do because they are a little bit worn. Does not weigh a lot, I think. It's just a heating element and a few switches in it. Flow switch, I think. Also a gasket. Yeah, it's worn, so it's good I bought a new one. So the new heater just arrived. This is the old one. It's not the same length, but these are flexible. This is a bit longer. it's the same model number. But that seems not to be a problem. So this one we have already disconnected. The old heater. So the wires are connected. Also, this is connected again, so we can close it up. And then we will lay the wiring in those white pieces of plastic. Just close it with a tie wrap. So the new heater is on. Place the wiring. Also on this side. And the connections over here. So we can fill the jacuzzi up again and test it. Fingers crossed. The water level is too low, but fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.